So we're starting up our annual bike maintenance day at Taylor Motive. The owner, Chuck, has graciously opened up his shop for us. And the guys are all arriving with their gold wings. And we've got a wash bay, shop inside, and multiple lifts. Put your bike up on, there you go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lifts, 6 lifts, 7 lifts. It's a beautiful big shop. We get to use all his tools and toys. And I think there's even free donuts inside. That's, oh yeah. Timmy's is alive and well. Ooh, Boston cream. I think I'm gonna have one. So we're here at the annual bike maintenance day, swap meet, silent auction, and our number one salesman, Dan, has showed up, and
I'm pulling a Dan.
he's having a swap meet. I think this is all Dan stuff.
Only 2 tables on the ground.
Only 2 tables.
2 tables, no waiting. Which table is?
I might need a new flag. You never know.
That is brand new. It was the wrong side for what I wanted. It has to go on the left side, and I wanted it on the right.
Oh, it's only printed on one side. Sorry, no sale, no sale.
Hey,
It's only half a
that's
flag.
my donation to the chapter.
It's only half a flag. So this toys.
Okay, what are we up to, Patrick?
I'm gonna drain the crankcase tube. That's
Crankcase tube.
Yeah, see this one here? Condensation. You get condensation in it. See the little knob there, right there.
Okay,
So you unscrew that and drain it. If there's any condensation water in there.
that's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Piece
That's
of
all
cake.
I have to do.
So tell us about your bike.
It's
We know you like your bike.
well-
Look at this baby. It's gorgeous.
It's a 2013 airbag model, level 4. Yeah, I got it the gentleman I bought it off of bought it in 2014 because it was a leftover from 2013. And he rode it down to California with some buddies, and when he came back, he said, my riding days are over, and it had 5,200 kilometers on it when I bought it.
Wow.
And yeah, and it was a really good deal. And he, because it was so new, they clear coated the 2012s to 17s, the wheels, and because they were so clean, now I keep them as clean because I'm not starting with the.
Yeah, look at those wheels. It's just almost like a mirror. Even the rear, which are the hardest to keep clean.
Yeah, yeah.
Crazy. But there's Patrick's bike. Very, very proud owner, we know.
Yeah,
Okay, what are we doing to your bike today?
we are changing the oil.
There you go.
Nothing super sophisticated.
And your bike is?
A 2007 Goldwing airbag.
Nice. And again,
148,000 kilometers on it.
nice and shiny.
Yep.
It's not even broken in. Come on.
So that's it. I've had it for 18 years and I'm still working at breaking it in.
There you go.
Hello, David.
Hey, Vernon, what are you doing to your bike today?
I'm putting on some handlebar risers.
Aha.
So I wanted to get a little bit of a pain in my shoulder. So I want to do that. Plus I'm going to get an ultimate seat for this as well too. So I want these things, my handlebars to come back a couple inches. So.
So we can handle those straight roads better, right?
What straight roads? I don't ride straight roads.
Oh, come on.
By sheer coincidence.
Sumas Prairie.
Yeah.
Oh,
there you go,
well, yeah,
Sumas
yeah,
Prairie.
yeah.
Gotta go to Sumas Prairie. It's far better than this.
You think
no
so?
No curves, no twists, no nothing.
What do
Nothing
you think,
technical.
Brian?
Yeah, it's a pretty phenomenal road.
I don't know. I like more straight roads. That, like you said, to the prairie. That was pretty
When are we
fun.
gonna get back on
What,
the
you want to go
interstate?
back to South Dakota?
8 hours of straight roads. That was great.
Yeah.
You get the idea.
Okay. So there's Vernon. And what year is your bike?
2024.
Got a beauty, black beauty.
Oh, there we go. That seems a little bit more than 20.
So we're here with Chuck Taylor, owner of Taylor Motive. Graciously let us use his shop for this maintenance day. Tell us about your bike, Chuck.
2018 GL 1800 Goldwing. DCT, 7-speed automatic with reverse. And it's got almost 140,000 kilometers.
Is that all?
Yeah.
Look at all the switches.
Yeah.
So show us off of your lights.
Okay.
Chuck likes to buy lights. Just look at this thing. You'll see him coming down the highway. No problem at all. Oh, look at the back end too. Yeah, are these all Gold Strike or?
Yeah, all gold. Yeah.
Did you buy them from
Wing stuff.
Wing Stuff? Beautiful bike.
Yeah, thank you.
Here we go. Oh, we're with Don Champion here.
Hello, how are you?
Another one of our members, but
Yeah.
not a Goldwinger anymore.
No, I matured.
Yeah.
And you know.
So tell us about your bike.
Well, I've had this bike for probably, I guess 6 months. I got it in the fall, and I'm still just kind of adding bits and pieces to it.
Nice.
The lights, the windshield, other bits, other things. I put the bags on it, and yeah, I've only got a few thousand kilometers on it, but I'm getting more comfortable with it and plan to use it a lot more this year.
It's proof we're not just a Goldwing club anymore.
Absolutely. You see, we're all, all inclusive.
Yep.
Yeah, totally.
Okay, we're here with Jim Cross, right here. This guy.
Hello, how are you folks today?
The proud owner of the only.
Yeah, well, it's one of the very first Honda NT1100 DCT. It's, like I say, probably one of the first ones in Canada. It's the first year they import them into Canada. They've been out since 2022 in Europe, and the reviews are fabulous. It's weighs over 550 pounds. What can I say? I'm waiting for a top box, and it is
DCT.
Yeah, it is a touring bike. The NT stands for New Touring. It's basically an Africa Twin that's been turned into a road bike. The saddlebags will take full face helmets. The top box that's coming is a 50 liter, so also will take 2 helmets. I didn't know what to think of a DCT, and I've had this is probably the first ride I've really had out with it, and it's just fabulous. The DCT I couldn't believe it, because I've been always a manual guy, and I'm amazed how relaxed and easy and just enjoy the ride, for sure.
Awesome. So you just picked it up?
Yeah, just last week, yeah.
Wow.
Last week, and this is the first long ride I've had just from Poco to here, so. No, it's I like it. It's got all the goodies. It's got Apple CarPlay and all this good stuff.
I like it.
It's about 550 pounds. So as you're getting older, you guys with Goldwings, you may want to think of something a little lighter, but you can still go 2 up, no problem.
Your wife going to ride on the back?
Oh yeah, for sure. I'm just waiting for the top. She doesn't like it without the top box and the backrest on it. So then adjustable windshield, not electric, but then again, it's a whole lot less money than a new Goldwing.
Yeah. Awesome. Thanks, Jim.
Okay.